Hello, you are watching the Comprehensive Program Review training video for instructional units on item number 10, the Other section. For this item, the user can describe any practices, technologies, policies, procedures, and/or information that should be reported and indicated as part of your program's planning for the next 5 years. It can relate to any or all of the 4 guided pathway pillars: clarify, enter, stay on, and ensuring learning. Some items to consider for this open text box response are revisions to award policies or practices to mitigate institutional roadblocks for completion, any technologies implemented that enhance the effectiveness and efficiency of program completion, any resources that your program or unit might plan to apply or submit a RAP for to enhance student completion of your programs or courses or student success. You may also think about any information that you feel should be included as part of your program's mini strategic plan or comprehensive program review for the next 5 years that didn't quite fit in the other items in your template. To enter your response, position your cursor in the open text box. It works very much like a Word document. You can go ahead and type in your response. There's also a bold, italicize, or underline that can highlight or draw forward or differentiate multiple paragraphs in your response. There is also the link to the guiding questions that can offer some examples and some guiding questions on things to consider entering into your response. You can also include, if you have typed into a Word document, your response to this, you can copy and paste it from the Word document by copying it in Word, positioning your cursor in the text box, and then pasting it directly into the response. Please note that the other item in the template is not mandatory. It's merely there to offer a space for programs and units to include any changes to policies, procedures, or practices, and any information you feel was not captured in the other responses, but should be included or indicated as part of your program's planning for the next 5 years. This ends the training on item number 10 of the Instructional Units Comprehensive Program Review. Please see the next link provided in the email for item number 11 related to your program's goals. Thank you and have a great day.